Check the gap tolerance right here.
Reading 0.05 millimeters on the calipers.
It's holding steady. Good. Proceed with the fastening sequence.
Engineer to team, slow descent, minor adjustment left.
Copy that. Moving left.
Clear on this side.
All right, easy now. Bring it down slow. Looks aligned, locked in, confirmed. Torque it up.
Align that section now.
It's secure. Moving to the next one.
We are clear on the starboard side, coming down slowly.
Roger. Confirmed seated. Lock the hydraulics. Ensure the spacing is exact on the next section.
Confirmed. Torque set and locked.
I'm seeing a slight intrusion here. Borescope view confirmed? Confirmed. Wait, the reading just cleared. We are good to go.
The strain on panel 7 is exceeding the projected limits. Yes, the displacement is consistent with the model, but monitor the fasteners closely. We're clear on the left side. Keep it centered. Roger that. Monitoring alignment now.
Alignment check on section 5. How are we looking? Still a few millimeters out on the starboard side. Adjusting now. Looks like it's seating properly.
Position confirmed on spar 4.
Alignment is good. Proceed.
Bring her down another 2 centimeters, gently.
Copy. Descending slowly. Alignment looks good. Bringing section 4 into alignment now. Laser line is steady. Looks good.
Torquing the final bolt now. Settings confirmed.
Okay, I'm starting the rivets on this side. Clear?
All clear here. The seal looks good.
Torque is set on this one. Approved. Let's move to the next section.
Bring it down slowly on the left side. Copy that, engineer. Looks aligned. Ready for torque. Torque applied.
Verified, flight surfaces are secured.
Check the alignment on your end, Sarah.
Looks good according to the schematic. Secure the bolts.
Look at the data spike here at the connection point.
Yes, I'm logging the reading now. It's within the predicted tolerance.
Alignment is confirmed.
Engaging the primary sequence. Watch the torque on 3 and 4.
Check the alignment on the starboard stabilizer.
Copy that. Scaffolding approaching the tail section now.
Watch the clearance on the right side.
Clear by millimeters.
Okay, hold it there. Looks good. Torque is set to 50 inch-pounds. Okay, confirming on the schematic. Connector C7 is secure. Torque wrench engaged. Give it 3 clicks. Got it. Wiring harness secure on this side.
Panel 4G is fully seated and grounded.
Confirmed. Moving to the auxiliary channels now.
Final bolt is torqued to spec. Check the integration point.
Sealant is smooth and tight. System integrity confirmed.
Laser looks good from here. Torque set to 50 Newton meters. Signal check is green.
Power flow engaged. We have stable auxiliary power. Confirmed on the wing, character A. Everything looks nominal.
The response is nominal.
Data confirms smooth articulation at 5 degrees.
Hydraulics stable, pressure nominal. Engine synchronization complete, spooling steady. Avionics fully online.
I'm getting a slight irregularity right here by the seam. Okay, let me log that.
Look at the reflection here on the fuselage.
Yes, the application is perfect. I'll make a note.
complete on Section 4.
Confirmed. Readings are nominal. Logging the data now.
Alignment looks good here. Did you get the torque reading on the actuator?
Yes, within limits. Let's check the brake wear indicators next. Flap extension is smooth and within tolerance. Confirmed, we are seeing nominal pressure. The flow indicators are steady. Check the pressure differential. Looks good. Data entered. Power flow is nominal, increasing throttle. We are seeing expected vibration levels across the fuselage.
Stand by for engine 2 ignition.
Copy that. Monitoring EGT and fuel flow. Power stabilized. All indicators green.
Roger, confirming stabilization.
Wheels are turning, slight roll forward confirmed.
Acknowledged. Applying brakes now.
We are clear on the left, clear on the right, taxi thrust set.
Checking rudder response.
Deflection is nominal. Stable taxi confirmed. Takeoff power set. Confirmed.